Okay, one last very cool thing, and that has to do with the tags. Now you notice I've been skipping over the tags. I wanted to save that for the very end. This is something pretty cool. So we start out again by highlighting something, and I'm going to highlight this just for an example. This time I'm actually going to add a tag, and as you can see it says please enter 3 or more characters. So I'm going to stay with parallel, and I'm going to just do a parallel tag. So this student maybe is doing something with parallelism. I click on that. Notice here that I have the option of 4 circles. I could rate the student. I could even add circles if I wanted. I could also minimize the circles. I can make it to where I gave a frown or a smiley face. But I'm going to go with 4, and I'm going to rate this kid as 3 out of 4. Notice over here it pops up, parallel, 3 of 4. I can delete it if I'm not satisfied with it, but I also can add some voice comments that go with this tag. So here we go. Click, record. Please notice that you really need to work on parallelism. We've looked at this with our last couple of exercises. Please take a look at some of the resources provided here and see me if you need any more help with parallelism. Give it just a second for that to record. And then there it is. Now watch the move here. Very simple. Go here to this tag. It says save feedback to tag. If I click this, it will add it to the parallel tag. I'm clicking. It gives me confirmation. There we go. Now how about I add some comments? I'll go back to some of my canned comments, and just for an example I'll use this one again. Just pretend that it relates, and you'll see what I'm talking about. So now I'm going to Control V, paste that in, or of course I could type something. And then I click comment. If I am happy with that comment, I can go here and I can save that to the tag. It has been saved. Now let's go check that. I can go here to tags and notice what pops up. So I only have one tag that I've created in here, and it is parallel. And then I have a 16-second comment that goes with that, and I also have a text comment. Now maybe that's just not enough. There's one other thing we can do. I can also go and I could add a resource. So let me type in parallel. If I scroll down, I'll see I'm going to choose lack of parallelism, attach resource. There it is. I'm going to go here, add it to the feedback for the tag. It's saved. Now let's go revisit. So here's that parallel tag. I have a soundbite, I have text, and then I have a website that this person can click on for extra help. Now if you will imagine going through say 5 or 10 essays for a particular assignment and adding those tags in, once you've got that done and they're added in, thereafter all you got to do is highlight and tag lines within a student's essay, and they'll have access to the sound you've provided, to the text comments, maybe even to a website link, and all you do is click and move on. And so those comments are already done. You can really build a very cool database of comments and resources for those students. Now I think a red pen's great. I think any kind of colored pen is great when you're needing that for your essays and for your assessment, but take a look at Kaizena and all these options, and you'll see that sometimes it may be the best thing for you to do.